Ashram. I am M. Maheep, founder faculty of Mathematics Optional. In this daily answer writing practice of PYQ of Mathematics Optional, we have come up with this question on Laplace transform. And Laplace transform is a very integral part of UPSC syllabus. Every year they ask you a question. Last year also we posed a question from UPSC examination. So this is the question: find the inverse Laplace transform of ln 1 plus 1 by x square plus s upon s square plus 25 e to the power minus pi x. So again, in the last class we discussed about time differentiation property, and this is also incorporating time shifting property. So I break it into two parts. First of all, I take this as f1s as ln s square plus 1 by s square. Correct? Now what I do, I simplify this. This is ln x square plus 1 minus 2 ln x. Now I know time differentiation property that tft is equal to minus d by ds fs. So from this, what is f1 dash? So this is nothing but 2 by s minus 2s upon s square plus 1. So if I use this property, time differentiation property, I can say that t into f1t is equal to 2 minus 2 cos t. So if I invoke the inverse Laplace transform and apply this property, so I get f1t. So f1t is 2 minus 2 cos t by t. Now I also need to find out what is the Laplace inverse of s upon s square plus 25 e to the power minus pi x. So I write this f2s as s upon s square plus 25 e to the power minus pi s. So I can invoke this time shifting property with unit impulse. So this is e to the power minus as into fs. So if I use this, so we know very well that the Laplace inverse of s upon s square plus 25 is nothing but cos 5t, and the Laplace inverse of s upon s square plus 25, now this is e to the power pi s, so this would be cos of 5 t minus pi u times t minus 5. Okay, so that is the thing. So I can write this as minus cos 5t ut minus pi. So my function would be 2 minus 2 cos t by t plus, I can use this minus sign, minus of cos 5t ut minus pi. So in these questions you have to apply the principles. Secondly, what you have to do, check for any errors. Cos 5t minus 5 pi is minus cos 5t ut minus pi. So if you are going to apply all these things, you are going to get the same answer: 2 minus 2 cos t upon t minus cos 5 t ut minus pi. So if you like our content, please do like, share and subscribe. If you want to reach us on online mode, then you can visit our website aryabhataashram.com. If you want to visit our offline center, we are doing 5 questions per day. You can come and sit and do that in between 6 and 7. And this is being done at Old Rajendra Nagar 47 near Batra Medical Hall. And apart from that, if you feel that if you have any idea or any perspective which can help you bolster your preparation, do feel free to connect with us in the given below numbers. Thank you.